Hello and welcome to our video demo of our device, which is called the Microcontroller-Based Power Outlet. We'll be testing all the modules in the device. The first module that we will be testing will be the ESP866 Wi-Fi module. This will be the main component for our device and is the module that will communicate between the device and the mobile app that we will use for our device. As we can see here, the Wi-Fi module is powered by a 5-volt power source, which turns on the module to connect to the Wi-Fi and to the mobile app. As we can see at the bottom right, the mobile app shows the device is online and you can now use the device through the mobile app. Now let's see what happens if the power source of the Wi-Fi module gets cut off. As we remove the power source of the Wi-Fi module, the mobile app should send a notification indicating that the device has went offline, and it also shows that the device is offline when you check the mobile app. Next will be our blink timer. This will be the timer that you can set for the device. As we can see here, there is an LED lamp connected to the device. And the timer is set to turn on at 6:07 p.m. As you can see, the LED lamp turned on at the desired time. Now, we will wait for the time to hit 6:10 p.m. to see if the device would turn off the LED lamp. As you can see, the device turned off at the desired time, indicating that the timer for the device works. The next one will be the power outlets that are in the device. Here you can see the power sockets are working as intended. Lastly, we will now try to test if the device can power 4 appliances at the same time. As you can see, the device are handling 4 running appliances at the same time as intended. And that is is all for our demo video of our device. Thank you so much for watching.